I know the alarm is so loud, but oh, I'm so glad you can hear me now. This is Gus from the Hero Hub, and we're here at the Hero Academy. There has been a terrible accident. Something has gone terribly, terribly wrong. Earlier this morning, the Hero Hub here at the Hero Academy was attacked by a corrupted digital version of the Academy network. We're going to call it Glitched Gus, after me, of course. He's scrambled our mission files, disrupted the school circuits, and drained power from the Hero Core. I tried to stop it myself, but the glitches are spreading too fast. That's why I need your help. You are now officially Hero Academy recruits. Before you unlock your first mission, though, you must complete the reading unlock. Choose a book. Identify 5 adjectives that describe the hero or the main character. Every great hero has strengths, maybe a few weaknesses, and special abilities. And no, I already looked it up. Eating 14 popsicles in a day does not qualify as superpowers. I checked. This week's mission, math mission that is the Aero-Glider. Your mission is to restore the Hero Hub flight navigation system. You'll build and test paper airplanes. Scouts, that's our K2 group. Your job is to measure you using your hero steps. Pilots, you're going to measure flights and calculate averages. Engineers, you're going to collect data and analyze flight patterns. Heroes, real scientists don't panic when something fails. They test, they adjust, they learn, and they just try again. Here's a little Gus memory hack for you. Before you test your glider, remember the Gus memory hack. Point to the nose and watch where it goes. That means the front of your plane matters. If the nose is not lined up with your flight pattern, it might go completely rogue. And by rogue, I mean straight into the couch. For this week's mission, you're going to need some paper, just regular paper, could be notebook paper, any kind of paper that you would like. You might need some tape, a ruler or measuring tool, and some wide open spaces. Well, you might need a little bit of bravery too. So you're going to make your airplanes. You can choose your pattern, find how that you want to make them. I made this little doozy. I made this one. So you choose your pattern of how you want it to look. Oh, oh. You'll never restore the Hero Hub. Ignore that. Don't worry about it. Definitely just ignore it. Everything is completely under control. Probably. When your mission is complete, you're going to upload your proof of power to the Padlet. You can upload photos, videos, screenshots, mission results, and then on your Hero Hub map, you're going to add your sticker or check off this week's box. Every completed mission restores more power to the Hero Hub systems. Need help? You can visit the Hero Hub mission here at school on Tuesdays from 9 to 12. You're going to bring your mission work, hero map, your questions, and your best hero attitude. Heroes, I'm detecting more glitches spreading throughout the Hero Hub. Next week, we may have a little problem with our landing systems. Be ready. Heroes, your mission starts now. Gus, signing off.